Been a while, but the memories on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose. I'm giving to. Still know my curse, right?
Okay guys, so for today, maaga tayo nagising dahil may tour tayo. Sorry, mali pala. Zero pala. Pinindot ko kasi yung 1. So, napunta ko sa first floor. May mga rooms pa doon. So, yung lobby is
Floor 0.
Tayo ngayon sa Scotland Highlands Tour and Jacobite Steam Train Ride. So, yun. Sarado pa yung breakfast, so hindi ako makapag-breakfast. Good morning, Edinburgh. Sobrang lamig. Dahil ayokong maglakad ng mahaba, magbabas ako. So, bili muna ako ng ticket for the bus. Let's go! Pwede naman magbayad using Apple Pay yata or Mastercard or kahit anong card sa bus. So, hindi na ako kailangan bumili ng ticket. Medyo umaambon today. Naririnig ko yung mga sipon. Akala ko nandiyan na yung bus. Ang lamig today. I think the weather is a bit okay naman. Ano lang, konting drizzling lang. Ngayon, muntik pa akong maligaw kasi doon ako sa kabila pumunta. So anyway, ito pala yung papunta dun sa tamang daan. Pero, anong oras dadating yung bus? 33? 6:49. Okay. Ito na yung bus. Yay! Anyway, pupuntahan natin tong place na to. Okay, let's go. Ito yung city center nila. Well, doon naman sa inistayan ko, city center din naman. Pero parang mas madaming ganap dito. Tignan niyo yung view. It's so pretty.
Okay.
Hi, good morning. I'm for the steam train.
Steam train, yeah. What's your name?
Joy.
There we are. Amazing. And I've got that telephone number there.
Yeah, correct.
It's on the bus.
Nice, thank you. Yeah, so, ito na tayo. Ito, kailangan natin sakay ng bus.
I'm not a trained fireman, so if the bus goes on fire...
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool it.
We're here at Pitlochry. And hindi ko din alam ano meron dito. I think we're just gonna look around and then we'll go back to the coach around 9-10 a.m.
Summer rain on the wind.
One white coffee, please. Do you have ice? Okay. Only hot, right?
But soon we will get soon.
Alright.
So from the end of the month we will have iced coffees as well.
Oh, really? It's okay.
160.
Okay. So I already got my coffee and bread. So I must go back to the coach. So magja-jaywalk ako. Jaywalk. Oh my gosh.
Chapman from over winter, very much a delicacy here in Scotland. Fried black pudding, another one too. Fried sausage, fried bacon, fried toast. To the viaduct to Self Grove.
Okay Okay, so now guys, yung stop natin, it is called Glenfinnan Viaduct. So if you're watching or if you're a Harry Potter fan, ito yung dinadaanan ng train doon. So dito yun mismo dumadaan. So later, sasakyan din natin yon, which is, ang tawag naman doon is Jacobite. So ayan guys, buti na lang ngayon maaraw kasi kanina umuulan talaga and I'm so worried kasi nga wala akong dalang payong, pero meron naman akong poncho just in case na talagang malakas yung ulan, pero ang liit kasi ng bag ko, so hindi magkakasya yung payong, kaya hindi ako nagdala ng payong. So ayun, let's go. Wow. Ngayon, wala pang dumadaan na train. So later, pag sakay natin ng Jacobite, dadaan din yan dyan. So ayan, tumatakbo ako kasi 11:55 na and kailangan ko makabalik dun sa coach ng 12. So, nakakita ako ng mag-asawa, yung girl, yung nag-picture sa akin is from Thailand, and then nakapangasawa daw siya ng Englishman. So, kaya sila nagtutour dito, pero they live in Thailand. So, yun. Nakabudol ako. Pinicturean nila ako. So, nahiya kasi ako magpa-picture. Buti lang may nag-picture sa akin. Why? Anyway, I still have 4 minutes. 11:56. In time, it's 11:58. And buti na lang kabalik ako on time. Ayoko malate.
And then over to your left is the Vaillant Walkway. It's RZ.
So we're here in Malay. And yeah, the weather is nice. So susundan na namin ngayon yung tour guide namin. And I think he'll guide us going to the platform. That's the train. Jacobite.
And then just to the right there's also a few other spots as well. There's also a little hotel just on the left as well.
Kailangan namin mag-meet dito sa Malig platform ng around 1:40 PM. And kailangan muna namin mag-lunch or something na pwede na yung makain or anything na anong gusto namin gawin dito sa area. So, sabi niya meron daw ditong souvenir shop if you're a Harry Potter fan. So, hanapin natin yun. And let's see kung ano yung mga pwedeng souvenirs na pwedeng mabili dito. Well, sa totoo lang, I'm not really sure if I'm hungry or ano ba gusto kong gawin. Pero, I'll just grab maybe light meal na lang before going to the platform. So, ito yung pupuntahan natin is Haggard Alley. So, before kayo sumakay din sa Jacobite, aka Hogwarts Express, so pwede kayong dumaan dito sa Haggard Alley. So, ito ay isa parang gift shop na nagtitinda ng mga Harry Potter memorabilia or souvenirs. So, tara! So, titignan natin kung ano yung pwedeng makita dito. Meron din sila ng chocolate frogs, and then slugs, beans, potions, and more. So tara, pasok tayo just to check kung ano lang yung meron.
Why don't you move it over to the cabinet? That must have taken so much. I was going to say that's decorating the whole tree here.
Ayun, so wala naman akong binili. Kasi inisip ko, baka mas okay kung bibilhin ko yung wand sa Harry Potter Studios sa London since I'm going there naman next week. Choices. Ah, meron pa dito isang gift shop. So, let's see. So, ayun guys, wala rin naman akong nabili. Kasi pinag-iisipan ko nga kung doon ako bibili sa Harry Potter Studios sa London. Kasi feeling ko mas okay doon, 'di ba? Since legit merch talaga. So, hanap muna tayo ng food. And yeah, kain na tayo and kailangan natin makabalik doon ng 1:40 or before 1:40 dapat nasa platform na tayo.
Is that everything for you? That's £16, please. So that's your receipt and your number.
Alright, thank you so much. Eat. Fish. Actually, hindi to fish and chips. Maganda talaga fresh yung calamari. Kailangan ko naman mamili. Kasi, I think it's already 1:32. So, kailangan kainin ko lahat. Kasi 1:40 na yung kailangan na ako sa platform. So, papunta na tayo dun sa platform. Try natin kung makapagpa-picture pa tayo with Jacobite. West Coast Railways. So, yung West Coast Railways, ito kasing Malek is part ng west part ng Scotland. Hindi pala tayo makakapagpa-picture dito dahil medyo malayo yung harap ng train and wala siya sa platform. Joy.
Joy, yes, you're 21F, so you are this one just on there.
Alright. Thank you.
Was it this one? Is that the one you want to take? Okay, all good.
Alright. Yeah.
Usually there are windows and you can open them up, but of course you can't do that here, so you won't have any issues with the steam coming in the actual train. In terms of what to look out for, of course there's a little cafe, I think it's called Dumbledore's, a little shop on the next carriage, so if you want to go and pick up any kind of gifts or snacks, that's the place to go. I think it's in carriage, carriage D. If it's the same as last year.
They have this sa menu and then wala lang silang cocktails. But everything, they got it here.
One?
Me.
Two?
That's what I thought. Yeah, you want to go to Liverpool.
Cheers! Meron kayong seat plan, so they have the F and B dito sa section na napag-assignan sa amin. So 4 persons yung mag-share sa isang table.
to ask? Have you enjoyed yourselves?
Yes.
Oh, that's the best cheer so far, right? No prizes for the best, but never mind. That's Lockyer. We follow that nearly all the way to Fort William. Those of you on the right-hand side of the train, if you look forward, you can see the snow. When we arrive, please alight on the left-hand side. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with you, including children. It's very difficult looking after them if you leave them in left luggage. Mind the gap between the train and the platform when we get there. And have a safe onward journey, and thank you very much.
Thank you! Okay, so ayun, bababa na kami ng train. Nakababa na kami sa Jacobite and great experience. So, hindi ako masyadong nakakuha nung photo dun sa train, pero okay lang. This is our tour guide. Say
Hello.
hi.
Hello, how you doing?